A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masera say, Masquera say. So it's interesting here. The report from Newsday Zimbabwe says a Gweru businessman who allegedly stole copper cables from President Emerson Mnangagwa's pre-cab farm in Sherwood, Kwekwe, has been denied bail. What? The people who are supposed to be upholding the rule of law, who are supposed to be arresting criminals, are the people involved in criminal activities. Unlucky to this police officer who was caught, but almost every civil servant right now is doing anything which is illegal. I can assure you. Why? They have rentals to pay. They have school fees to pay. They have clothing for their families. They have vashandi vari kumusha vane mombe. They have vabereki varoda kuchengetwa. And they are earning, according to the soldier at State House, he confirmed that they are earning 170 US. So if those who are protecting the president are earning 170 US, what more those who are not protecting him? How much are they earning? So what it means is they are getting way less than that. So no matter the argument we are going to see, no matter how these people are going to justify this madness, honestly, this reflects the failure of President Mnangagwa and his government. This police officer, what he did is wrong. If he stole, for sure, he must be punished. It's wrong. But what will happen to the person who caused him to do that? That is a very important question. What will happen to the leaders who are forcing these people to be criminals? Once we deal with that question, we are talking now about the development of Zimbabwe, about moving away from poverty, moving away from incompetency, moving away from laziness from the government officials. So it's shameful to Zimbabwe kuti munototora munhu motomuisa kucourt musinganyari. Yes, you have to put that person behind bars, you must put that person to trial, but ima munyariwo here. Hautonyari kunzwa kuti pafamba pako pakabiwa kopawaya. You don't even ask questions kuti why are these people doing this? And you celebrate people like Mtoli Ncube. We have been giving slave wages to the civil servants for a very long time. Civil servants are leaving service right now with nothing. They don't even care how many years you have worked. You just live and live with nothing. Unodzokera kumusha ukaenda ukanogara muimba around. That is the honest truth. So what should we do? We must have a conversation as the people of Zimbabwe about the way forward. Because you hear armed robbery, a police officer is involved. You hear theft, a police officer is involved, a soldier is involved, this one is involved, that one is involved. Where are we going as a nation? Is our safety guaranteed? When the people who are supposed to be protecting this country are involved in criminal activities. There is a video which these authorities are going to ignore from the State House. They'll try to brush it aside. But that is a clear indication that things are not well. If they ask Russian beer to strangers, varume, nyika iyi inopona here. So, Team Zimbabwe, we have to make sure that we address this issue. As a people, we must be serious about this issue. In as much as we continue to turn a blind eye on this issue, in as much as ZANU-PF people continue to look like they are not affected by the economic quagmire we are into, then we are doomed. So, I don't know, guys, what you think. Is this policeman going to be given a tough penalty, just like what others are getting, or you get soft, because the question is, what will happen to the person who caused this police officer to be doing this? That is the question. I know a lot of people would disagree with me, others will agree with me. In the comment section, please let us talk. What do you think?